Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Rosemary Mint Oil Easy Guide. Start by diluting 3 drops in 1 teaspoon carrier oil and test a small patch for sensitivity. For scalp use, massage diluted oil into roots for 5 minutes, then leave 30 to 60 minutes before shampooing. For inhalation, add 2 drops to a bowl of hot water and breathe deeply for up to 10 minutes. Keep rosemary mint oil properly diluted at 1 to 3% for adults and lower for children or sensitive skin, using a carrier like jojoba or sweet almond. Always perform a patch test and discontinue if redness or irritation appears. Avoid eyes and mucous membranes and consult a professional if pregnant. Store oil in a cool, dark place and keep it out of reach of children and pets for safety. Quick recommendation: if you like saving time cleaning after DIY oil projects, subscribe and like if this guide is helpful. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control is great for keeping floors hair and oil free with smart mapping and strong suction. I use it to clean up dropped drops and dust between treatments. It makes cleanup almost fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Try adding 4 drops to 10 ml of shampoo for a refreshing scalp boost. Then rinse as usual after lathering. For muscle relief, mix 6 drops with 10 ml carrier oil and massage into sore areas for 5 to 10 minutes. For a relaxing mist, add 8 drops to 100 ml distilled water in a spray bottle and shake before use, starting with lower drops and adjusting to tolerance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.